LVP, or Luxury Vinyl Plank. We get asked about this product all the time, and we wanted to see how it stacked up against its most similar product, laminate, and traditional hardwood floors. So we installed some, we got it wet, we scratched it up, and Dylan's going to show you what happened. It's so animated.
Wouldn't you know it's the Scott and Mac show at the side of me.
So first up is laminate flooring. It's cheap, scratch resistant, and comes in a variety of colors. But water damage will make it as fragile as my ego as I record this, making it a worse option for kitchens and bathrooms. For installation, you'll only need underlayment and a saw to cut it to length. Second, it's going to be hardwood flooring, which is the most expensive out of all three of the options and has a very limited color selection compared to the other two. The big problem with hardwood is that even though it is expensive, it is neither scratch resistant nor waterproof, making it the most susceptible to damage. Because it can't be installed directly onto concrete, you will need a wooden subfloor as well. For installation, you need a mallet, a flooring nailer, and a saw. Finally, you have LVP. While being more expensive than laminate, it's usually cheaper than hardwood and comes in all the colors that laminate will, including one that looks like hardwood. LVP comes with underlayment pre-installed onto it, and even though this option is cheaper than hardwood, it is scratch resistant, waterproof, and easy to install. Spills are bound to happen on the in-floor, so we soaked all three of these boards for 72 hours. Laminate and hardwood are completely destroyed and will have to be replaced while the LVP is completely unchanged. With pets and kids always on the floor, we also did a quick scratch test. The hardwood was the easiest to cut deep grooves into, making extremely visible marks, while laminate and LVP were much more scratch resistant while also being able to hide the marks made.
Hello, I'm here today to show you a 1-minute fix, something that you can do for yourself at home if you need to. I'm going to demonstrate on a commercial door, but let me show you what the problem is and how you can fix it. As you can see, this door is pinching right up here. It's actually hitting the frame. And the reason is right here. See this gap right here? You know how it's tight down here? The weight of the door will pull it over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend the hinge just a little bit, and it'll tweak that, make this straight, make this up at the top straight, and I'm going to do it with, this is actually a hinge bender for commercial doors, but you can do the same with one of these. In the commercial door, you put this hinge bender on here, and you bend it a little this way, and then you watch over here and you can see it pull. And there's one more little tweak. And now you can see it's no longer rubbing up here. The door opens and closes perfectly. Now to adapt this for home, your hinges are going to be smaller than this, so you can use a little crescent wrench. Find the hinge knuckles, each one of them is individual. Put the crescent wrench on the knuckle, tighten it as tight as you can get it, and then you can tweak it, such as this. That's a 1-minute fix for you to try at home. You can fix your own doors. Thank you for watching.
My name's Jason McCall. I'm from Statesboro, Georgia. Originally, I'm 42. I'm a project manager for the residential department here at JOMA. Old houses teach you something every day. Just as soon as you think you figured it out, you're wrong. You know what I mean? You learn something else. My passion is building. I like working with homeowners. I like working with suppliers. I like being a problem solver. You know, and it's fun, and I'm learning, you know, and it's cool. And I don't know, I just like this company. I like the people. I like being able to believe in what I'm doing, and I like to be able to sell somebody a product that I can stand behind. On the weekends, well, you know, back in '05, I met my beautiful wife and best friend, so right now, just hang out, man, take it easy. When Corona's up, I plan on spending at least every other weekend at a lake somewhere. Good. You know, I hope this is it. Yeah. You know, I like Athens. I've been here almost 2 years, and I'm very happy.